How to get code from Framer. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get code on Framer. So first is all you have to do is to log in into the project that you're currently creating, and this is going to be your dashboard. Now there's actually two specific things that you can do. So the first method of doing this is to specifically click on that element where you will need to use the code. Say for example this one. Now, first method of doing this for you to obtain the code is to double click on that specific element, and this is going to be the code that you need. The other thing that you can do is to go all the way back and again click on the specific element, and then at your right side panel you should be able to see these features. You just need to simply scroll all the way down for all of these features till you find this option here that says code overrides. Click this plus icon. Scroll down once again and choose on edit code. And that's it. That is how you get code from Framer.